who is he fighting? It's Rivers people. And it's not fair. It's most unfair. Even he himself has agreed and acknowledged, when it comes to somebody like me, that I supported him. And that support was freely given. It was freely given. Even when he became the FCT minister, and Gumi, Dr. Gumi of the North, raised an objection, the late Chief E.K. Clark, whom the FCT minister had chosen to disrespect, even if you don't like his positions, you don't have to disrespect him. He can be your grandfather. You don't have to disrespect him. Now, even at that level, I supported him. Even when Gumi opposed it, I came out and made a statement that Nyesom Wike can and does have a right to be appointed by the president to oversee the Federal Capital Territory. I went as far as saying that he has a right because it is even his money that built the FCT, So how else would people like me have shown support? He himself has said with his own, that Annkio Briggs is somebody that she will support you if you are doing what is right. And if you're doing what is wrong, she will also tell you. I cannot be afraid at my age now, at 70-something. I cannot be afraid to tell even the president that he's wrong, because the president was born in 52. I am born in 52. So I cannot be afraid to tell the president the truth. If other people are afraid to tell him the truth because he has appointed them, I can understand that. But he has not appointed me. I'm speaking on behalf of my people, my region, and myself, and my family. Why not? Because nobody else is doing it for me. You know, so please, there is no anarchy anywhere in Rivers State.